Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through filing your taxes online with TurboTax in a simple and stress-free way. Begin by opening your browser and visiting TurboTax.com. Sign into your account or create one if this is your first time. Once logged in, click Start or Continue your tax return. TurboTax will ask a series of guided questions about your income, job, and personal situation. Answer each question carefully because the software adjusts your return automatically. You can upload tax forms like W-2s or 1099s or enter the details manually if you prefer. As you move forward, TurboTax checks for errors, missing information, and possible deductions or credits. Take time to review each section and confirm everything is accurate. When you reach the review stage, TurboTax will summarize your return and show your refund or balance due. Next, choose e-file as your filing method, then enter your bank details if you want direct deposit. Finally, review the consent forms, confirm your identity, and submit your return online. TurboTax will send a confirmation once the IRS accepts your filing. You can track your refund, save copies, and access your return anytime securely. Your taxes are now filed online with confidence, clarity, and convenience from start to finish. Subscribe the channel for more videos.